What sounds like your next tropical getaway is actually an idyllic description of your life as a resident at Vida Edgewater, Miami's most desirable new community. With its pristine tropical landscape, vibrant social scene, and luxury amenities, Vida Edgewater offers you all the feelings of a vacation destination and all the elements of a perfect, carefree life. Located just 50 yards from Miami's picturesque waterfront, in the heart of one of the city's hottest spots, Edgewater, this 9-story complex is comprised of 121 studio, 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments brimming with style and excitement. From amenities that include double-height luxury lobby, ground floor retail areas, upscale bar and restaurants, meeting and event areas, fitness center, spa, workspaces as WeWork areas, a rooftop pool terrace with panoramic views and bar, in addition to a beach club membership for owners. It finishes with first-class features, from quartz countertops to customized cabinets. Always thinking of you, Vida Residences is the only project with a hotel and residential component that offers a customized short-term rental management program, minimizing cost and always looking for the benefit of its investors, in addition to maintaining the building standards. Backed and managed by its own team with a great experience and leaders in hotel and vacation management. Urbana Holdings, which actively seeks to develop strategically located commercial sites with a uniform investment approach, projecting all of its investment in a conservative way to minimize loss risk and maximize profitability for both the company and its investment partners. Bueno, with a wealth of vacation experience in South Florida and the Caribbean, promises to apply its expertise and technology by integrating its online booking channels with its bueno.com website with all other short-term rental channels such as hotels.com, booking.com, Expedia, Airbnb, Vrbo, Trivago, HomeAway, and others to maximize Vida's occupancy. Vida Edgewater offers a lifetime living experience for its owners in a place you'll never want to leave. And of course, once you move here, you won't have to. Located near downtown, Midtown, Wynwood, and the Design District, you will be surrounded by the splendor of Miami in every direction. Design District with stores like Chanel, Gucci, Hermes, and others. Satisfy your food cravings at many of the restaurants located in Edgewater, Wynwood, Midtown. All of these are just a few of what this city has to offer. Or simply enjoy a few moments of solitude at our private beach club, which is just a step away. With everything from sand and surf to sultry Miami nightlife, close proximity, and a variety of amenities at your disposal, Vida Edgewater is the perfect synthesis of the Miami lifestyle, complementing pleasure with business.